fattening a plantain.
Oh, very good.
Patacones, remember.
Patacones.
And what's going to come out?
A
Wow.
flat.
Oh, that's good. Look at that.
You can see
Hey,
the imprint.
remember, make some of them with this.
Oh yes.
Okay. Oh, how exciting.
This big
Right.
one,
Yeah, try it.
like this,
Horizontal is better.
horizontal. Okay. Now.
What is this?
What is this?
All right, that's fine.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Look at
That's
that. Nice basket.
Oh, I like that.
Wow, that is very good. One more for the camera. Look at that.
Very
Okay,
good.
I am now redundant at home. Oh, one more. Okay,
We'll do more.
one more. Excellent. Okay, the last one for the camera.
A little bit more. Yeah.
Awesome. So good.
Okay.